UN chief condemns the killing of civilians during a brutal crackdown on protesters in Myanmar. Saudi Arabia has unveiled a sweeping campaign to tackle climate change by reducing carbon emission and planting 10 billion trees in the coming decades. Eighteen people died and more than 20 were injured on Saturday when a 10-story building in eastern Cairo collapsed. Demonstrators in some 60 cities of the United States, including the Georgia metropolis, along with San Francisco, Los Angeles, Chicago, Detroit, and Portland, have demanded an end to anti-Asian violence. In Saudi Arabia, 2 explosive drones launched by Houthi rebels targeting the southern region of the country have been intercepted and destroyed. Nationwide strike being observed in Bangladesh. Planning Minister call upon national leaders to join hands with government against COVID-19. Jordan inoculates more than 274,000 against COVID-19.